How you can make money on YouTube with AI influencers full tutorial. Imagine scrolling through your social media and stumbling upon an influencer who never sleeps, never eats, and never gets tired of creating content. For example, that one, or you can have either that one. As you can see here, we have over 300k of followers, so it's an important number. As you can see here, we have a lot of likes, comments. So believe it or not, it's an AI influencer, and that mean doesn't exist. So you can earn money by using these AI influencers. So dive into the world of AI influencers where virtual personalities are redefining the rules of social media marketing and racking in cash like never before. So you don't have to show your face, you don't have to do the voiceover, you don't have to write script, and a lot of influencers earn millions of dollars. In this video, I'll show you how to create one and how to earn money with it. So first step, you need to start your video on YouTube using AI influencer is creating your AI character, but don't worry, you don't have to create it because we have here Heishin.com. It's an AI based tool that can be utilized to generate AI characters. So all you have to do is open your web browser and type Heishin.com. As you can see here, we have two options to get started. You can click over here or the other one. So you can sign up by entering email and verification code, and then you can answer for a few questions. And after finishing the sign up, you will or it will lead you to this home page. As you can see here, we have recent creations and hygiene learning guide, so you can get information, for example, by clicking here, or features, resources, company pricing, just to more understand, or you can scroll down over here and you will know how this website works. As you can see here, we have a lot of AI character or avatar, so you can get a lot of information. So I already signed up. So if you wanna sign up, you can just follow the step that I mentioned before. And here we have, if you wanna learn about AI Studio, it's a learning guide. So you can just click over here to more understand how AI Studio works, and video avatar too, AI voice, video translating, and also if you wanna templates. As you can see here, we have a lot of templates, so it's depend on your content what you want. For example, here we have KPI presentation, expense reimbursement process. So if you want an AI influencer explaining your template, so you can choose one of these example. And if you want to create or not create, actually it's generate avatar or AI character, so you can click over here, video avatar, and then um, and this page will appear. Then you can click on studio avatar and will find the various AI character. As you can see here, we have a different one, so you can find a lot of AI characters, so you can choose the one suits you more or the one you like. So here we have this three dot if you want to edit your avatar and get, or if you want to get avatar ID, and this one if you want to start create video with this avatar. So you can just click over here, landscape, and you will get to so landscape is for YouTube. If you want to start with YouTube, you can just click on landscape, and so this page will appear and you will find a lot of options to edit your video. So you can displace or change the place of your AI character if you want it on the left or on the right or on the middle. Here we have animation if you wanna effect on enter or effect on leave, so you can choose the one you want. And also if you want to add it script, so you can just delete that one and then you will add yours by for example type in your script, or you can use GPT script writer to help you to write your script. And here we have, if you want to add it as script, or uh, if you want to post section of, if you want to add recording of, if you want to upload audio. And then here we have, if you want to translate all scripts, so you can do all this stuff by using this option, this icon. And then if you want to change your voice, you can just edit one by selecting your language, gender, age, function. So for language, you can select the language you want in your content or on your social media. And for the gender, if the AI character that you choose is male, so you can automatically choose male voice, or the same thing for female. And for the age, so you can choose the child voice, or youth voice, middle aged, older. And here we have function pausing supported, if you want adjustable speed, adjustable pitch. And here we have a various type of voice, so you can find natural, explainer, ads, audiobooks, e-learning, narration, games. So this is all these options you can adjust to your, or for your video. So after editing your video, you can click over here, submit, and then you will download your video and it will be ready to publish it on your YouTube channel. There's a lot of ideas you can use for using AI characters. So, for example, affiliate marketing. Through platforms like Impact.com offers affiliates flexibility in terms of how they promote products or services, allowing them to work independently. By promoting products or services through affiliate partnership, affiliates can earn commission. So you can earn commission using the AI influencer on sales generated through referral or referred links. Or you can just simply create a video guide using an AI influencer can be an engaging and innovative way to educate your audience by starting on defining your topic. So you can choose a specific topic that you want to create a video guide about. This could be anything from an introduction to artificial intelligence to a deep dive into a specific AI application or technology. And then you will start scripting by writing a script for your video guide, or you can use ChatGPT to help you, including explanation, examples, and any demonstration you plan to include. Make sure the language is clear and conscious, suitable for both your target audience and AI influencer. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again on the next video.